Alrighty, so we're not doing any sort of reviews today. We are just doing a fun vlog. I want to share with you guys probably the drone I have the most fun with as of late, and it's my Whirligig from Newbie Drone. I say most fun in a non-professional manner. Like, this is the drone that I can just take out and just really beat. It's an FPV drone, but it runs the DJI FPV system. And since so many of you guys keep asking me if the FPV system is worth it and what I think of it, well, I figure I would do a flight with it, share some footage, and it's absolutely gorgeous out today. Let's get started. Let me go ahead and get this thing out. I've got the DJI FPV unit with me today. I've got this. This is the Whirligig, and I actually built this. This doesn't come pre-built. I put a infinity stack in here, which that's like your ESC, flight controller, everything. It's a 20 by 20 stack, and then I put the DJI FPV unit in here as well. What's really cool about this frame is that the center of gravity is absolutely perfectly balanced, and it just makes flying it really, really fun. And like I said, it's a small drone. It's like 3 inches. And what's great about this is it's under 249 grams with the battery, which is pretty impressive. I can also get 1080p 60 footage out of it. So let me get this thing up in the air and let it rip. I've got some 2800 kV motors on here. Technically, I can run 6S on this, but for today, I'm just running 4S batteries on here, some 650 4Ss. I should get about 4 minutes of flight out of this. All right, let's see if I still suck at this or not. Oh, fuck. That hit hard. Yeah, no image transmission. That one hit hard. Shit. I was coming in pretty hot off that. Freak. There it is. I mean, at least it hit some nice, soft grass. Not the water. I would have sucked. First pack, man. Come on. Come on, dude. Maybe it knocked the battery off or something. That's all I'm hoping. It just felt like it lost power, though, for some reason. Fuck's the battery? Alright. Well, that explains why I lost video. Bent some props. Just bend those back down. All right. Should be okay. Maybe I didn't have the strap on tight enough. I don't think that was it. Let's see if I can get it back up now. it's super, super hot out here now. All right, I flew 4 packs. We had a couple of minor wrecks, nothing bad, just maybe some bent props. But I guess if you're not breaking stuff, you're not really pushing the limits. So nothing really broke today though, so that's a good thing. Sometimes it's, you know, always something that could happen. I think I'm going to have to order some 6S packs for this because I think these 2800 kVs just are too much for 4S, or not enough for 4S. So I need like more. I need more current going to it. So maybe 6S will give me enough a boost to make that, you know, make that right. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to share some footage, a little bit of a fun vlog today. Nothing serious, but yeah. All right, that'll do it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. I've got a little girl turning 8 years old, so I will not be producing any videos this weekend. It's gonna all be about her. As always, guys, stay rich.